Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this gorgeous piece right over here. I've got the Large Nirvana 4.0 by Peter Rassenti. I'm going to do a quick review here, but quickly, three things. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful blade right over here. Custom Peter Rassenti Nirvana 4.0, latest iteration from the master Peter Rassenti himself. What are you getting here? 3.5 inch long cutting edge and 4.5 inch long for the handle, and an 8-inch long overall gorgeousness of a knife. In this case, you get a Mokutai integral frame. You can also get a plain Jane titanium integral frame. This is something gorgeous. It's one of my favorite knives ever. It is a fantastic addition to my collection. It's phenomenal. It's one of the best looking knives ever. Integral Mokutai Chad Nichols handle. Hand rub satin. I think this is CPM 154 steel or XHP, CTS XHP. I don't remember. I think it's 154. Zirk pivot collar. Mokutai tip-up carry only, pocket clip, a little bit strong in the tension. In fact, you see it's a little bit thick. Beautiful contoured back for the handle. One of the most effective jimping in the business. Great ergonomics. You have a spidey hole for the spidey flick, thumb flick. You can do like index flick. You can do two-handed operation. Of course, like almost, like a little bit more. This would be even like a front flipper. I kind of can, but I need a wrist help. But still, it's front flippable. Super fidgety action. I love, of course, like that is going to be the most preferred way to deploy this beauty. Extremely fidgety. It's not a flipper, and it's very, very smooth in the action. Just deploy like that or like this. It's like a pleasure. And did you hear the sound? Come on. It's hands down one of the best sounding knives that I ever had the privilege to experience. So there you have it. If you want to know more, check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.